Welcome everyone to another special video. Here today we have the unboxing of the FIFINE Game A6T USB gaming microphone kit. So this whole kit cost around $52.99 on Amazon. I have the link in the description. In this video we're just going to go through a quick unboxing of the product itself. This is the microphone I'm going to be using from now on, so I hope it sounds a little bit better than my other one, and it's a noticeable difference between the two. If not, I'll let you guys know, and you should be able to know too by watching my videos and seeing the older ones and seeing this one, and seeing newer videos and comparing the difference in audio quality. So again, this is a $50 microphone, so I would say it is a budget microphone. Since it does comes with the stand, I feel like it's a good deal for the price. It's the whole thing packaged set up. FIFINE is one of the upcomers, and even upcomers, one of the more dominant budget microphone companies by now. So let's get into it. So it is for streaming, podcasting, video recording. I'm obviously doing it for video recording, streaming, still considering it. It's a quick plug and play, quick start, and function keys with convenient use. This is the box, by the way. So on the side, you're just going to see Game, which is, I guess, like their line, or what they're calling it. On the top of the box, so like direct on the top of the box, you have microphone with shock mount. I don't really know what that does. A pop filter, which I believe it just filters out any XX sound. A boom arm stand with adapter, so that's just something you put on your desk. Got that there. USB cable for the actual power, and then desk clamp, which clamps this boom arm stand to your desk. Bingo. So all that in one thing for $50. Is it worth it? I'm not fully sure yet, and this is not actually a review of the product itself. This is just an unboxing, so I want that to be clear. This is the unboxing experience of this microphone, so don't expect anything else. I will have a review out later for you guys. So, in the back of the box, you can see here's the microphone and what it's supposed to look like. As you can see, you got the RGB lights there, and it's just a microphone. There's not a lot to it. You have the tap to mute button on the top of the microphone. So if I can show you through here, this little button here, you just tap the top. There you go, tap the top, and it mutes it. So that's something that I was like, okay, that's kind of useful. A volume gain, so if you want to be louder, quieter. No, it's an automatic gradient RGB, which I believe you can choose. Actually, I believe it is a default pattern of RGB. I could be wrong. We'll see. Sturdy boom arm stand. Let's see how sturdy it is. Plug and play, and full and clear audio. So that is the box, guys, and pretty much everything that it is advertising. And you can see here the A6T. I actually didn't see this name on the Amazon website, but I'm going to attach the link again in the description. So if you're interested in looking at it, you can go ahead and do that. So opening this up, we are having a struggle here. Wait 1 second, guys. Alright, opening it up, we have this little plastic thing, and here's all the goodies. So, first thing first, we have a user's, gosh darn it, we have a user's guide. So just all the contents. I wanted to see if the RGB, so that's the clamp information, so out of that is USB-A, so that's nothing too crazy. That's pretty much standard on here. RGB, when RGB is on, that means the mic is active. When RGB is off, the mic is mute. So that's cool. In this thing, we also have the setup for just in general. You will need a screwdriver, maybe? I don't know, maybe not. So suggest speaking within 7 inches. Depends how far you're gonna keep this mic from your face. Mac OS setup. So that's just simple Mac OS mic setup, and don't surprised there isn't a Windows one. Doesn't matter. Alright, so goodie number 1, we have the cable. So as you can see here, it is a USB 3.0. No, 3.0, sorry. USB Type C. I'm stupid. This is the USB 3.0. This is the USB Type C. So, kind of this nice little FIFINE branded thing. That's cool. I don't really know why I care too much. I'll put that back in the box. Again, this is just unboxing. It's going to be a short video. I will have a review and what it looks like on my desk later. And if that's something you guys want, if this video does well, I can do that for you guys. Here's the pop filter itself. You can see here you got a little smiley face. Is that... Alright, so it is a different color. I'm trying to show it to you in the light. There you go. That's what it looks like. It's cool, I guess. I don't really know if you're rocking with the smiley face or not. I rock with the smiley face. And here's the mic itself. So, this is where the mount would go. You attach it there. But here's the mic itself. I can grab on it. Obviously, without power, it's not that interesting. This is the button. Huh. So it's not actually a physical button. So I'm interested in how it's going to work. Do you have to set it up? So I guess you just tap it. So it's not actually a physical button. It's just something you tap. That's cool, I guess. I don't really prefer one or the other. And here is the desk clamp. So that's actually pretty simple. It just goes on your desk. Actually, we'll have to figure out how to do this. I don't know how to do this, to be honest with you guys. And I believe under all of this stuff should be... There it is. What is that supposed to be? Oh, you pull it out. Okay. So this is to be pulled out. That's cool. Let's just pull it out, I guess. Wait 1 second, guys. It's hard to do with one hand. Boop. Just my box falling on the ground. Alright, so here is the mount itself. Got some things here, I guess. I don't really know what to say. Springs, I guess. Get this thing out with one hand. So here is where I believe the mic would go. This orange part here. This is where you'd connect it to the desk thing. Which goes like that, I think. I'm not sure. I'll read the instructions first with these type of things. But here's the mount itself. Yeah, not too interesting of a video, I guess. It's more of a unboxing experience. Again, for $50, I think this experience has been alright. It's nothing spectacular. It's nothing, mind-blowing. But it's also $50. Oh, keyboard. I guess the RGB will go well with my keyboard. Haha. Haha, I don't care. What I'm looking forward is to seeing the quality of this thing. I don't know how well it's going to be. I hope it's going to be good. But, oh, shoot, you see my toes. Don't look at my toes. I don't know how well it's going to be, but we'll see. I will have a review video, if that's something you guys want, with actual performance, what it looks like, third thing, and my opinion on it, I guess. If that's something you guys want, let me know in the comments below, and that's the video. So, a little bit shorter one, short and sweet. Not going to hold you guys any longer than that. Thank you guys for watching.